Hey, welcome back to Byte-Sized Computer Science. Today, we will be looking at some basic string operations. Particularly, we will be looking at the functions length, index of, its counterpart LastIndexOf, and finally, charAt. Let's get started. First off, we will look at the string length function. Strings are sets of characters, as we learned in the data types video, and this function, length, returns or outputs how many characters are within that set. Next, we will look at index of. The simplest explanation of index of is that it looks through the function for the first instance or appearance of a specific given character. Index of will then return the index or location of said character. If the function does not find the character that was specified within the string, it will return -1 to symbolize that the character is not in the string. What is important to remember though is that when we are counting indices, we must always start at 0, meaning that the first character in a string is at index 0, the second at 1, and so forth. Now, you can also modify what region of the string you are looking through by adding a parameter to the IndexOf function, as so. What this tells the computer is this: you must look for this character, but you must only start at this given index. Similarly, we have LastIndexOf, which is just what it sounds like in comparison to IndexOf. It looks for the last index of a specific given character within a string. Since it looks backwards through the string, the added parameter works very similarly, giving the function a starting point for its search. Here's an example of how it would work. Finally, we have charAt, which stands for character at. This function takes a maximum of one input parameter and returns the character that is at the given index of the string. That's it for this video. I hope you learned, I hope you enjoyed, and have a fabulous day.